Welcome to the channel. Today is the ultimate long weekend for a father-son combo in Adelaide. Let's get into it. I'm on my way to pick up Jordy. Jordy's been at Portland at a camp for the last 4 or 5 days, and so I've left a bit over an hour ago from Ballarat. It's about a 3-hour drive, so about 300 k's-ish to Portland, and then another 500 k's from there to get to Adelaide. So most of today is going to be spent on the road, travelling and seeing some of our incredible country, which is pretty cool. One of the things that I really can appreciate is the diversity of the country. We're now in sort of rural Victoria, in the Western District, where cropping is in full swing. It's harvest over here, and then we're going to end up on the beach, which will be cool, which will be great. So pretty exciting sort of stuff. Bacon egg roll. That is, it's ridiculously fresh. Glen Thompson Roadhouse, MJ's Roadhouse. Good job, well done. Big fan. So here we are. I've got the boy now.
Hello.
Picked up the lad.
The bozo.
The bozo. Oh, that was a pretty steep hill, wasn't it? Yeah, bottom.
Let's chuck that on real quick.
Yeah, guess where I'm taking us? Flying along. Yeah. You know, I almost watched this ute before we came away. I'm quite happy we didn't.
Yeah.
So, camp was good?
Yeah, it was fun. It was great.
And we're in Mount Gambier, right?
Yep.
What did we just go see?
A giant hole in the ground with like flowers and bees.
Flowers and bees.
Pretty much.
That's pretty accurate, actually. That was that was good. And then, because when you take your little boy somewhere, you got to run the energy off him, right? So we went to the playground.
Yep. Pretty cool playground.
It actually was pretty cool. That was actually really nice. Macca's.
It was.
Like, all stupid stuff aside, it was wasn't just the standard one. It's a bit extra. That was cool. And now we are full of fuel. Fuel was cheap.
Was it?
$1.61. Like, that's cheaper than Ballarat. I don't know how that happens, because Ballarat's usually the cheapest in the world, or cheapest in Victoria anyway. That was cool. That was cheaper than Ballarat. Anyway, that was good. We're full of fuel. I don't know where we're going. That way somewhere. Wherever Adelaide is.
Yeah.
After checking into our first motel for the trip and getting a well-deserved sleep after travelling all day, the following day we thought we're going to check out some of the sights of Adelaide. So we went down to Derringer's Music to have a look there. Some incredible guitars, and I've got a whole story about Derringer's that I'll tell another time. We went to the gym, Anytime Fitness, which is great. Jordy got pretty buff there. Great gym there. We're very happy with the layout and the equipment, which was good fun. Spent a bit of time there, and then we made our way to the next set of accommodation, which was pretty spectacular really. Some incredible views, and that finished out the second day of the trip, getting us ready for the real reason that we came here. Today's the day.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Battle for Waterloo.
Battle for Waterloo.
Yep.
It's going to be good.
It will.
So when you think of gel blasting, think of it sort of as beefed up Nerf guns or tamed down paintballing. They shoot these little balls that are a little bit like Orbeez that are sort of squishy, but they take on moisture and they shoot them out at a fairly fast rate. They do sting a little bit when they hit you, but they're pretty safe and they actually decompose to nothing once they're finished with. There's a bunch of different game modes that they play, and the guns that they have look quite real, and some guys get right into it and have a whole heap of fun every weekend.
So a couple's going to
want to do, mate?
Easy.
Probably should look at what we're doing at the back.
You can tell us what to do and we'll do our best to try.
Well, these two are going in front, so there's actually stuff in the containers.
Yep.
Tim's coming! Rest of the goal. Tim, Tim's coming out towards you. Give me cover.
Want to go, Brick?
Can't tell, forgot it.
Come on, yeah.
Yep. Oh. Good job, man.
Quick, I thought there was only one here, not two.
Got some more golden ones.
Alrighty, let's go.
We're doing well, actually.
Me and Jordy hitting the road, 600 Ks, ready to go. Gel blasters lock, game day near. Adelaide buzzing, the mission is clear.
Another one.
We pull up strong, sun in our face. Battle for Waterloo, our kind of place. Fast shot fly, no time to chill. Rob the nest, straight up thrill. Run, blast, duck and slide. Me and Jordy side by side. Dreams come true, this is the one. Waterloo heat, gel blast run. Protein, good vibes all around. Gel storm ripping over the ground. He waited years.
I'm not sure if that counts or not.
I feel his joy, it's all mine.
Behind the barrier, there's a big jumping right behind it.
Dreams come true, this is the one. Waterloo blast run. Waterloo heat, gel blast run. Long drive home, still feeling the fun. Father and son, gel blast run.
Five. Yeah, I'm thinking of contract for much longer.
Blast run. Long drive home, still feeling the fun. Father and son, gel blast run.
We're just coming from the battle,
Yeah,
and
Turn right onto Robinson Road.
we're turning right onto Robinson Road.
we are indeed.
Man, I am tired. That was good.
Yeah.
It was heaps fun, but tiring, right? Supposedly the guy said when he plays on the front battlefield, they usually do it run about 10 Ks, they run around and all that stuff. If you use the backfield, you usually do about 13 Ks.
Yeah.
We did both fields, and two 2-hour sessions, so 4 hours of just running around, crouching around, kneeling down. Yeah.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Yeah, sore. Back sore, leg sore, face is a bit sore.
How's the lip?
Good.
Yeah.
Bit swollen probably. Got shot in it as well by one of the Chris Vectors. Went bam. Yep.
What's a Chris Vector?
The really small one that I got to use.
Yeah?
The small one that shot way too fast.
Yeah. I got hit many times.
That was a cat.
But that was alright.
Yeah. God, it's called the actual game. Rob the Nest. There
Rob
we
the
go.
Nest, that's the one.
Yeah.
Rob the Nest style. That was it.
Yeah.
So we had to grab bricks and put them in one side and compare to the other, and and all that stuff, and yeah. And we carried a lot of bricks.
Yeah.
That's all I can say. Yeah. There were some timing devices where it was kind of had red or blue, and you had to tap one side and it would count the time that it had been tapped, and if you tap the other side, you know, we're on team red, so you tap red anytime you saw one, and that was sort of the objectives. You'd try and do that and grab all the bricks, and there were some gold bricks that were worth more, and yeah. Anyway, so that was that. That's a trip, isn't it?
Yep.
Oh, bit more to go.
Yeah. 6.5 hours.
Yeah. We're just in the Adelaide Hills. And the only real telltale sign, other than, you know, beautiful scenery, is like the ute is working. Like it's stuck in a lower gear, just revving to get up the hill. You wouldn't. It's doing it easy. Like we're just sitting on 100 on the way up, but it's not sitting in overdrive. It's having to work the whole way, because we overtake everybody and make our way up. But anyway, that's kind of cool. And then we're going to be on the way down there. So we're just coming out of Adelaide, and we've got the trip back to the Rat now. Should be good. Jordy will do a bit of driving.
Yeah.
Should be good. But yeah, been a good trip.
Head southeast on Princess Highway Service Road, then turn right.
Highway. We're back.
We're back on the Princess Highway.
Turn right towards National Highway A1, then turn left onto National Highway A1.
We're okay.
Head towards Willow Street.
How about we just
Turn
go
right
straight?
towards National Highway A1,
Where do you think
then
we
turn
are?
left onto National Highway A1.
Are we
Continue
in the
for
ocean? Like, what is that?
217
I know
kilometers.
it's all over the shop, this thing. Also enough, thank you so much for watching. Check out the Battle for Waterloo if you're in Adelaide. Tons of fun. Highly recommended. I said it's the last one that's open in South Australia. There used to be 22 of those, and yeah, and they brought out new laws that are meant to have gel blasters. You need a firearms license. Just because people did the wrong things with them, and they do look real. Yeah, which is a real shame. Really, really, really sad that that's where they've had to go with it. But also, you can understand how when people abuse, the system, well, they've got to put rules in place. So, but yeah, really want to support it. You don't want to lose that, because that was tons of fun, and the guys there. A lot of guys, that's what they do every weekend. They're just super passionate, into it. Obviously very good at it too, and yeah, you don't want to lose that. So, but yeah, hopefully there'll be a video in the next year or so where we're checking out some some Nerf stuff in Melbourne, which would be cool. Bit of fun as well. Cool. Alrighty. We'll catch you next time on the channel. Thanks for watching. See ya.